Give Kids a Smile operates in the belief that every child deserves a smile.
And for the 19th year, this event is held in Council Bluffs. Iowa Western dental assistant students are there to help and learn.
It took the teamwork of everybody. There was 4 dental offices that were participating, so they were able to serve just under 100 kids that day in that short amount of time. My students were able to help sterilize, clean the rooms, tear the rooms down, get it switched over for the next patient. They were able to work chairside with the doctors.
Dentist showed us the x-rays and he kind of explained what was on the x-rays. We learned how to talk to kids, which was really cool.
I learned that you can't cross-contaminate anything because you could be putting yourself or the dentist or the patient at risk. I think it's a very good community service opportunity for students, but also just makes the teachers here really see that they care about their students.
Drop it a little bit more then.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna raise it just a smidge.
I wanted to go into hygiene at first, but then I learned about the dental assisting program here and I completely fell in love with it.
I think it is a really good eye-opener for my students to see there is an issue in our area.
And the area community college is there to help. Give Kids a Smile. Iowa Western gives for the present and the future.